Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're taking a look at the Suzuki RM-Z 1050, a powerful concept motocross machine that combines aggressive styling with high-performance engineering. Let's see what makes it so exciting. Engine and performance. The Suzuki RM-Z 1050 is imagined with a large displacement engine delivering outstanding power, quick throttle response, and impressive acceleration. It's designed to handle demanding off-road terrain with confidence. Design and features. This bike features sharp bodywork, lightweight construction, advanced suspension, and high-performance brakes. Its sporty ergonomics provide excellent rider control and comfort on rough trails. Conclusion. The Suzuki RM-Z 1050 is a bold vision of what a future high-performance motocross bike could be. If you're passionate about powerful off-road machines, this concept is definitely worth watching. Thanks for tuning in to King Bike. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing bike content.